Hey guys, it is Sarah here with my service dog, Bailey. Yes, look at the camera. Okay. And today we are actually going to be doing a kind of get to know you tag that I found in one of the, in one of the service dog groups that I'm in on Facebook. It was not created by me, it was created by someone named Jetta. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go through this tag and maybe you guys can get to know me, and I would love to get to know you guys too in the comments. Sarah, good girl. I just want to say that if I am looking down during this video is because I have the questions on my laptop down there, so that's why I'm doing that. And we'll jump right into it. So the first question is, what is your service dog's name and breed? Her name is Bailey, and she is Lab, Heeler, and Dane mixed together, and there might be some other breeds in there, but that was the majority of her DNA test. Then the second one is, where did you get them? I got her in my hometown in Colorado, and I actually got her off of Craigslist. Please let me know if you guys are interested in that whole story, because I definitely learned a lot of lessons from it, and I would not suggest for other people to get their prospects off of Craigslist, but it worked for us this time. How old are they? She is 4 years old. Is your dog a prospect, SDiT, or fully trained? Bailey is fully trained, although I've mentioned this before, I consider service dogs to always be in training. So as a team, we're always looking for opportunities to improve. 5, how many tasks does your service dog know, and what are they? I don't have an exact count of tasks, but if I'm thinking just off the top of my head, she knows deep pressure therapy, she knows panic attack interruptions and responses, she knows behavior interruptions, she knows nightmare interruptions, what else? She can alert to changes in heart rate and blood pressure, and she also knows how to get me out of situations that I'm clearly uncomfortable in. Yeah, I know she does other things, I just can't think of them off the top of my head. If you guys would like an entire video just on her tasks and how we picked out those tasks, let me know in the comments down below. So number 6 is, what is their favorite treat and or toy? She loves all food. Any food is a treat for her. And then for toy, she has this fake stick that is actually real pieces of stick put together in like plastic. It's safer than using real sticks, which might splinter, and it also, when she eats real sticks, her tummy gets a little unhappy. So that is our best alternative. Although if she had her way, she would be eating sticks, real sticks, all the time. What do you feed them and why? She gets fed Purina Pro Plan Focus, sensitive skin and stomach, salmon. We have tried other foods, but this is the one that her coat and her sensitive tummy work the best on. And the next question is, what is your current gear setup? We have 2 current gear setups. We use a River Dog gear vest, sometimes based on the situation, and then sometimes we use a Poodle Paws gear harness. I do have a review video for the River Dog gear vest, but I haven't done one yet for the Poodle Paws gear harness. Please let me know if you guys are interested in that. But I just kind of alternate depending on the situation we're going to be on and kind of what's going on. Question number 9 is, what is your dream gear setup? I try not to dream too much because dog gear is expensive. Service dog gear is very expensive. But the things I have been looking to add recently are some new patches and also maybe like a med bag, something like that. But I really love the gear I have right now. If you use patches, what does your favorite patch say? Honestly, the Stop Do Not Pet one with a stop sign on it that came with my River Dog gear vest is the most effective. Children know what it means, adults know what it means. I've had adults and children come up to try to pet her and then see that and be like, whoop, there's a stop sign, and like really literally retract their hand. I have not actually seen other people really pay attention to my other patches. Question number 11 is, what is the most challenging part of being a service dog handler? And for me, it's the concern that a untrained animal or a cruel person will one day like harm Bailey or me in public. That's just like, there's a lot of fear there because I've heard so many stories, but that right now is the most challenging thing. Question number 12 is, what is your favorite part about being a service dog handler? And honestly, it's the independence. I don't have her for fun. I have her because I really need her, and she really helps me, and that is really the best part for me, that I can go about my daily life not stressing out about how my conditions are going to affect me, because I know I've got her to help me out. Question number 13 is, what questions do you hate being asked as a handler? I hate being asked, how can I get my dog to come with me everywhere? Or what's wrong with you? Those two are tied for number one worst questions. 14 is, what's one thing you wish everyone knew about service dogs? I wish everyone knew what the law was, how service dogs are different from ESAs and therapy dogs, like what their rights are. Question number 15 is, what one thing do you wish the general public would do or not do around service dogs? I wish they would ignore them. I wish I could go about my daily life and not be a spectacle and go out with friends and not have my friends mention, oh my God, everyone's staring at us. Yes, they always do that. Question number 16, what piece of advice would you give a new service dog handler? Take things slow. Don't measure your success on someone you've seen on Facebook or YouTube or whatever. Take things slow and work with your trainer. And if you don't have a trainer, get one. Question number 17 is, are your friends and family supportive of your service dog? And my friends are all supportive. My family are mostly supportive. They try, but we have our challenges. Question number 18 is, how did you decide a service dog was right for you? And I was doing tons and tons of research on treatment options for the things that I struggle with, and really it came up time and time again, and I was thinking about getting a service dog for like a full year before I even started the process of looking for a prospect. So it was a long process for me. Question number 19 is, after your current service dog retires, will you get another? Why or why not? My answer is yes, absolutely. I plan on getting another service dog. I really don't foresee a future right now where my conditions are to the point where I won't need a service dog to help me with them, and I won't qualify for one. It seems like something that I'll continually need. 20, if you get another, what breed do you want? First I wanted a poodle, then I wanted a Dane, now I'm looking at labs. I'm having a hard time picking. Question 21 is, what does your service dog struggle with the most? And right now what she struggles with is when I'm out and about and I'm talking to someone in public and they put their hands on their knees and they bend down and they start calling out to her. It's very clear that kind of distracts her. She doesn't get up and run to them or anything, but she definitely gets a little distracted. So that's something we've been working on. Question 22 is, what do they excel at? Bailey loves tasking. She absolutely loves getting to do her job, and she loves knowing that she's helping me, which I think is just the cutest, greatest thing for a service dog. Question number 23 is, what service dog team inspires you? And there are so many. Most of them are on YouTube for you guys to check out if you are interested. Service Angel Percy, Service Doodle Wes, the Fry Life, Mary Fry and Ollie Boy, and before she passed, Chronically Jackie, of course, and Harlow. Question 24 is, have you ever had any major public access issues? I've had a lot of minor ones, but none that I would consider major. Nothing that, talking with people and their supervisors didn't really handle. I've never had to file a Department of Justice complaint, and I've never been like kicked out of a location, both of which is what I would consider to be major as opposed to minor. And last but not least, the last question is to describe your service dog in 3 words. So my 3 words for Bailey are cuddlebug, that is 1 word, best friend, that's hyphenated, so it's 1 word, and loving is word number 3. So that is our service dog introduction tag. I really enjoyed getting to share this stuff with you all, and I look forward to seeing what your responses are in the comments down below, or if you guys want to make any response videos, I would love that. So thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye. Bailey, come on. Come say goodbye. Come say goodbye. Oh, go girl. Okay. Bye, guys.